Hey, what is going on, everybody? I hope you're all well and staying safe. It's OnePlus 8 time. Today, T-Mobile released the OnePlus 8. It has been available through the OnePlus 8 website, unlocked, for a little while now, I believe. But this is the first day this has gone on sale at T-Mobile. I've got the T-Mobile retail version right here in front of me. Stop by my local T-Mobile store. Many stores right now are closed, many T-Mobile stores, so you might want to call ahead to your local T-Mobile store if you're planning on stopping by and picking this up. So here we are, bright red box as usual for OnePlus. Now, if you see any smudges here, I had wiped some disinfectant on it after a number of people handled this box when I picked it up. On the back, of course, you got your specs here, the Qualcomm 865 Snapdragon 865 processor, your Snapdragon X55 5G modem. See the rest there, the display, the 4300 milliamp battery, warp charge 30T. And I've got the Interstellar Glow here, which I think is the most interesting color. I understand if you want to go stealth and want something a little uniform and dark, but I'll tell you what, the Interstellar Glow is certainly the one that caught my eye. So let's get this show on the road here. Right here. I think you just heard an ESPN notification maybe from my other phone. Let's get this open here. Shake this a little bit. And here we are. We are greeted with the new OnePlus logo. And of course you've got a number of booklets and whatnot. Let's see what you got in here. See a T-Mobile pamphlet. Welcome, just the start guide. Put that off to the side. What do we have here? This thing's kind of loaded. SIM ejection tool, a new SIM card if you wanted to activate. I'm just going to use my current SIM. Terms and conditions, return policy, limited warranty. Let's file all those off to the side. Here is this beautiful bad boy over here. Woo, that looks nice even with the paper around it. All right, what else do we have here? Put this off to the side here. You've got your USB-A to USB-C charging cable in red, as OnePlus tends to do. Got your charging brick here. And of course, if you want to use that insanely fast warp charging 30T, you're gonna have to use the charging brick that comes with the packaging here. And I believe that's it. Yeah. So let's see, nothing else here on the box. You got a number 8 on the longer sides and nothing on the shorter sides. All right, OnePlus 8 5G. I'm gonna be quiet and open this up now. Look at that. All right, wanted to peel the sticker off the back. This is a nice color. I like it. I like it more than the Note 10 Aura Glow. I like the silver mirrory finish on that, but the colors that refracted just reminded me of a CD too much. It was nothing special. There really wasn't. There didn't seem to be like a, I don't know, an end goal or focus to the design. Whereas on here, they're really concentrating on those intergalactic hues, if you will, the pinks, the deep oranges, the indigos, the blues, a little bit of purple. Definitely a mirrory finish, but very nice here. As soon as I turn that over to the side, it's a lot more orange. It almost looks like the Instagram logo a little bit. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but basically every single angle we go, it is a different color. All right, so on the front, got your front-facing camera here. There's no screen protector or anything pre-installed. You have your power button and the volume switch here. You can turn it to silent or vibrate. It's a pretty popular little switch here for OnePlus users. Got your 3-lens camera on the back, your volume rocker on the left, and that is a glossy metallic finish on the metal frame. All right, on the bottom, of course, here is your SIM tray and your USB-C, and that should be a speaker there. Should be stereo speakers. And on the top, I believe that's just a microphone. So I will pop my SIM in here and we'll see what it's all about. All right, so I wanted to show you this part of the procedure now. Let's see, wipe that off. Just setting up the fingerprint. I like to kind of change the angle a little bit each time. Wants edge input, so I'm going to use the very edges of my thumb here. And I'm probably going to end up adding a second instance of this same thumb. 2 instances of each thumb, I think, is a good way to approach it to make sure things are accurate and smooth every time. All right, and we are done now. So we've set everything up. It taught me the gestures, which of course are just the regular Android 10 gestures. And we are greeted with a Google widget, Google search widget, the date and time widget. And it is already prompting us to customize the phone as soon as we are in. Really, really nice. Very smooth. I think 90 Hertz must be turned on by default because this is quite smooth here. And so let's dive right into the settings and see what's going on there. Right there, settings. So I use the OnePlus font, not the Roboto font, just to get the most authentic experience using this OnePlus device. So let's see here. Of course, you've got your network and connection info, display info. Let's dive into display here. Adaptive brightness is on. Sleep after 2 minutes of inactivity. Advanced. We have an advanced screen calibration. Vivid, natural, advanced. See how these look. I like vivid. I'm going to stick with vivid. When I go to natural, it's kind of a yellowish tint to the whites and the colors just don't pop quite as much. Screen refresh rate, there it is. It's set at 90 Hertz. Definitely going to keep that. I don't think I can go back to a 60 Hertz phone for everyday use. I know that sounds like I'm being a phone snob, but hey, it's the standard now to go high refresh rate. Let's see here, night mode, reading mode. Okay, what's night mode here? All right, you can set the color temperature, the lightness, etc. Font size is set to default. Display size, I think that's fine, as all my information and I guess some apps and stuff are downloading in the background. Status bar, show battery percentage. I'm going to turn that on. I'd like to see my battery percentage. Display network speed, not necessary, but let's see. When I do that, oh well, it's showing us right there. So time, let's see, show hours and minutes. Yeah, that's fine. Go back to status bar here, icon manager, and we can choose what icons show up. I think that's pretty cool. I'm just going to keep all of them on for now, but you see that you can customize which icons show up there. Let's go back. Customization, sounds and vibration. I'll go into some of these, just show you everything that's there. So right off the bat, when you start, you've got 23 gigs used up of the 128 gigs of internal storage. That's about 19%. In case you're wondering, all I did was put in my Google account and I did not have it download anything or transfer anything. So just to give you guys an idea of that, let's go back up into customization because that's one of my favorite things about getting a new phone here. All right, you got your wallpapers. Let's check out the wallpapers here. Sure. All right, so this is the default wallpaper and we've got other colors here with a similar design. And this right here, very interesting. You see all the wallpapers. Boom. I don't know, let's just go with this for now. And clock style. just leave it in the default. Fingerprint animation. Energy, I guess that was the default one, or let's see, Cosmos. What's Cosmos look like? Ripple, Stripe, and none. Energy, I think I'll stick with energy. I might go to none after a while, but I'll stick with energy. And let's go back here. Let's see. Let's go back to customization, and we can pick our button color here. Let's see, it is, I don't know, it's springtime. Let's just go with some kind of green for now. Or can I, oh, we can pick our own color. Very nice. I'm gonna do that. That is quite bright, but that's all right. We want to see what's going on. Tone, select tone. Yep, I guess just light or dark. Let's go dark. There we go. Very nice. Oh, it reset my, it resets your accent color when you go dark. So you gotta go back and redo the accent color that you created. So I don't know, it was something like this. Boom. And yeah, icon pack. I'm just gonna leave it to default for now, and the shape, I'll keep it round. So very nice. A lot of things you can do to customize, and here's how it looks in dark mode. So there we go. If you've got any questions, let me know. I'm gonna play around with the phone a little bit. I will do a full review on this phone. And if you want me to compare this phone to the S20 or the iPhone 11 Pro, let me know in the comments. And yeah, until next time, thank you guys for watching. Oh, one more thing I forgot to do. I just wanted to talk about the size a little bit. This phone feels much better in the hand than pretty much any other OnePlus device that I've used. Okay, certainly feels better than the Pro versions, which were pretty bulky, although this year's Pro version is slimmed down a little bit. I've got fairly substantial hands, but you know, I like to basically one-hand everything on my phone. So I do like the size of this. This is much more manageable, and this is, like, if you're looking, I wouldn't call it compact, obviously, but if you've been put off by OnePlus phones in the past because they tend to be on the larger side, you may want to check this out if you otherwise were tempted by OnePlus 8 phones, because size-wise, this thing is pretty good. And I'll tell you what, I'll compare it here side by side to my S20. This is the regular S20, not the Plus or the Ultra. And you see, the OnePlus 8 is a larger phone. But in the hand, it doesn't feel so bad. It's not super thick. It's not super bulky or anything like that. I still would probably prefer this size here on the left, but again, this is probably the most ergonomic and slim OnePlus 8 device that I've used anyway. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll check you out later.